How is that even fucking possible?
I don't know if you guys can see what Randy and Clayton did here.
It's in! It's in! I fucked that right up. Oh my god, the liquor.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to SPPTV. Today we're putting the box on the truck. But of course I'm too impatient to wait for anyone to show up, so I'm doing it myself. I just got it held up with a couple straps on the engine hoist, and then just pretty much carefully slid it over. Now I just got to let it down onto the mounts, and the box will be on. There we go. More or less on there. I got the straps off. Got it kind of adjusted up. And actually it does fit really nice now with that extra 1 inch narrow. Like I can get my hand all the way in here. And there's no chance of any rubbing, which kind of before it was really close. So plus, like I said before, I can probably actually go to a little bit larger tire. I'm getting ready to get the 5.3 loaded into Mike's truck when he gets here, so we can go to Clayton's and get her installed today. That's kind of the plan for today's video. I'm just doing some stuff while I'm waiting for them. I also got this drive shaft. Sorry, I've been trying to clean up, moving stuff around, but here's the drive shaft. So it's welded. It's 49 inches from center to center. I'm still kind of unsure on whether I'm going to use it for sure or not. I mean, I'm not into it for any money so far. I'm only just worked on it, but I didn't buy anything. I haven't bought that U-joint yet for it or anything. I went to a local place today to see how much to balance it. He said like 110 bucks. Plus he says he has to like check it, because if it's bent a bit, then they can't balance it. So it's hard to say. It seems pretty straight when I lay it on the ground, but of course that's not doing it the way he does it. Before he does anything, he does that. So I might just take it there, let him check it, and if he says, yeah, sure, I can balance it, no problem, then maybe I'll balance it or get it done. If not, I don't know. I'm still kicking around the idea of ordering one, but at the end of the day, if I don't use this one, it's no big deal. It's a good mock-up so that I could figure out the exact length I needed, and then I can always just order one. I might even put this one in, order a U-joint, put it in, and I can just use it to get the truck like going, and then order one, but we'll see. So I'm just gonna finish cleaning up here and wait for Mike. All right, guys, so we got the engine mounted up in the truck. We didn't film it because I forgot, but we got Randy up there.
Did you show him it already?
Show him it already.
The engine?
Well, yeah, it's right there.
With its intake on it and everything?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Because I didn't think that was in a video yet, but
it has been in video.
Looks like
I'm pretty sure, yeah. So there it is. We got her loaded up. We're gonna put some stuff in the back of the truck and head to Clayton's.
Are we going already?
All right, so we're heading to Clayton's. He lives about 7,000 miles away, so we should get there sometime tomorrow morning or so. Very close to Mexico he lives. Mike's got his Gatorade or whatever there. Yeah, we're ready to go.
Back in?
We are here. There's the Clayton mobile.
I'll put the gym in there first.
Clayton mobile. It's pretty windy out here. And here's the old shit horse. Apparently we're gonna put the engine in on the gravel pad.
I'm like, how the fuck is this gonna work?
Yeah, I'm glad
Welcome.
we can do that.
A little fucking late, boys.
Right on time.
Look at me.
Yeah, I was about 3 minutes late getting to Rob's, I'm sorry.
Clayton's version of an engine hoist. Holy fuck, Randy, settle down.
My kid's daylight here. It's my kid's little swing set.
This is how the hillbillies do it. On a fucking gravel pad with a swing set, trying to put an engine in.
That'll be good. Gravel what?
Gravel pad.
The car?
Yeah. Why isn't it in the garage?
Because the black car goes in the garage.
It's not in the garage right now.
Car's not
No,
black.
I like parking it. I like taking
Car's the wrong color, Rob.
I'm saying, why didn't you put it? We have it in the garage before we put the engine in. Is what I'm saying.
Because it's been up in the air for 2 weeks waiting for you guys.
Our
Hey, do you want a Whopper?
noticed our starter
A walker?
key power
Whopper.
wire is like really small. Maybe that's
That could also have something to do with it.
problem.
Could be, yeah.
What's small?
Your dick. I think the problem is that where's the
Solenoid?
solenoid? That's not a solenoid. That's what I'm saying, because we took it off.
It used to be like here.
Yeah, we got rid of it. It was here.
Here?
That's what I'm saying. That's why it doesn't start good, is because we took the solenoid out. Like a bunch of dummies. The engine mounts from the shit horse. A subscriber was asking. I'm gonna send him some pictures, but in case anyone else wants to see them, this is how he made them. Basically, just the stock.
This is the stock 2.3.
No, that's the stock LS mount.
Right.
Part of it, and then that is the just pieces of steel that we made, cut and made, and then welded on.
I thought we used part of the stock.
And then it goes to the stock mount here, which is part of the stock Mustang mount on this side. That's how we did this one. So it's different than the shit horse, but similar.
Shit horse. This is the shit.
I mean, the Sonic Stang. The shit horse was a 4-cylinder, so those are the 4-cylinder mounts. We got the engine on this picker thing. Clayton was just tightening the flex plate. This is a 6-liter flex plate, so it has the big spacer. And then we're gonna get ready to drop this thing in.
Hey, wait a second. Flex plate or flywheel?
This is a flex plate because it's
so
an automatic.
On a manual, it's flywheel.
Yes.
Okay. I always get that fucked up. Basically touching
Go
the
in
fender
more.
here.
Go this way
If
more.
no one loses a foot in this
Randy.
process, we'll be in good shape.
Oh, yeah, hold
Okay,
on,
that's
hold
good, good, good. Now you can let her down some. Okay, hold on, hold on.
Hey, which way do you want the frame?
We want to go my way some more.
No, it doesn't really go your way because it's hitting the fender already on my side. Unless you tilt
Okay,
it.
that's okay, that's okay. Watch the fucking paint then, Randy.
What do you mean?
Well, you're smashing it right into the paint.
Well, no one cares about this car.
What are you talking about?
I'm not smashing this
Randy.
right into the paint.
You know what?
There's a good 1/4 inch right there, Rob.
Rob loves this fucking paint.
Mike's always fucking up this door, and now you're fucking up this fender. Okay, stop.
Can't help it, man.
Hey, but at least you're here helping, so. More we can say about some
That
people.
brown looks great.
Down a
man.
little bit more.
I like the brown.
Okay, good, good, good.
Well, that's a good mating interface.
Okay,
The tranny can't go up
Okay, stop,
anymore
stop.
for what that's worth.
don't do anything. I think we're there. My dowel's in. So.
Really?
So is this one.
There you go.
Not quite all the way.
Well, that was good.
So we'll have to get a couple bolts like in started, and then we can lift it up a
Shimmy
bit
it.
to get the mounts on.
There, it's in all the way now.
Boom.
Sweet, finished her.
That went in there.
Okay, you can drink.
Yeah.
Random shit horse parts all sprawled out all over the floor here. We'll continue assembling this, I guess. And we got the live stream we're about to start. If you guys haven't been to a live stream, you should definitely check it out.
This motor mounts in.
They're
Or
like,
engine mounts, as they call them.
yeah.
Check out that engine home over there. That's where we camp out in an engine home.
When you go to watch Engine Sports,
Yeah, when we watch the engine sports, like that song, Engine Sports, Engine Sports, or however it goes.
I heard that song before, yeah. It's a good song.
How long were these bolts, Rob?
Oh, fuck. It's right against the wall. Firewall.
How close is it?
Well, it's on it.
Oh, really?
I almost thought that might have been a thing before, but I didn't say anything.
Good job, Mike.
Because I only thought about it once it was done. I didn't think about it
Yeah,
now.
well. Let's cut the chain.
Well, yeah, just leave the chain in there.
See the chain.
You should have put the front chain on this side.
Okay, I guess I should have. I don't know. I
See
didn't.
how this cylinder heads further?
Yeah, I just put it on. I don't know. I wasn't putting it in the car at that time. I was just putting it on in the back of a truck.
I think the problem here is alcohol, guys. Everyone's drinking, and that's what makes
But
this
you
fucking
guys
thing.
love
No,
it.
you know what? When we had it on, when we had it hanging from the thing, I kind of, just like Mike said, I kind of thought about it for a minute, and then I was just like, no, that should be good.
What are we gonna do? Cut the fucking chain?
Why not?
We can.
Do you have bolt cutters?
Already got the oil drain connector back there, accessory drive. This thing's coming
Hold
back
on,
together,
hold on.
all because of Randy,
just hold
his
on.
help.
Oh, yeah.
You have a
It's always because of
big
me.
pry bar?
Rob's going in.
doing that, eh?
It's not moving anyway.
Even if it did, you're not gonna be able to lengthen the bolt.
How do you know how long the bolt is?
Well, because the other one is fucking huge.
Yep.
It's just random bolts.
Doesn't mean they're both the same. Okay, let's just cut it off then. Fuck it. I'm gonna pull the motor out again.
Do we have some tape?
Oh yeah, there you go. We got this, Randy?
Rob's got it.
Spoke too soon. It was.
Get her?
I got it cut in half. I'm just trying to
Spread the chain.
spread the chain to get it. Okay, let go. Or let the pressure out.
Oh, beauty, Rob. Oh, yeah.
My only engine chain to top it off.
Well, that serves you right. This can't be
For
your only
putting it
engine
on
chain.
like
That's
that.
a pretty small chain to be an engine chain, anyway.
Well, that's what I use.
Problem solved. The quick way.
The shit horse way.
Yeah, it was a shit horse one.
If you look underneath, though, you can't even see the oil pan. Like, I know we cut some off, but it's way up there because the engine's too high.
Hey, where's your garbage around here?
Use the recycling, that blue bin in the corner. No, don't use it.
Well, that's an issue.
Motor mounts are backwards.
Yeah, I think they go the other way. See, this is how the mounts go from the factory on an LS, but I think we switched them around so they're upside down when we did it.
Yeah,
they fit
that
better.
was another thing I was
You gotta put,
watching.
like,
You
arrows.
do, and I was like, I thought that thing went to the bottom.
Okay, so we gotta
Like the lip or whatever, the extra 90
bring
lip
that
there.
fucking stand back here, I guess, eh? And everything.
So after all that work, well, Rob work of cutting to get that bolt out, we got to pull the engine out again anyway.
Well, not out, just
out.
switch the mounts around.
Yeah.
Well, I'm glad I caught. Well, yeah. Caught it now rather than.
Yeah, what Clayton noticed was he was trying to put one of the exhaust manifolds on, and it was way off from where it should be, and the rest of the hot side is hard mounted right now. So that indicated an issue.
It was a good indicator.
Good indicator of that.
How is that even fucking possible?
Hey,
So, yeah.
Clayton,
I
look it
don't-
up higher. Oh, it's in.
I don't know if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see what Randy and Clayton did here, but this is the hole that the mount goes, the bolt goes, and this is where they have it on top of the mount. It's not even in there,
Higher, Clayton, higher.
not even close. And that's
Higher.
on both sides.
Oh,
yeah.
it's in. It's in. I fucked that right up. Oh my god, the liquor.
Fuck, let's have another drink, why don't we? And a disclaimer, I have nothing to do with this. I was nowhere near the, see?
There you go, guys.
They should be in that hole right there, and they're on top of the bolt hole. Like the engine's not even bolted in at all.
So what Clayton and old Socks and Sandals over here decided to do is jack up on the front of the oil pan with a piece of wood, and Clayton's worst jack
I don't know
in
if
the world.
this jack's gonna go high enough.
Uh-oh. Because really, in the end, it was this was their project, so.
Oh, I fucked it up.
I wasn't saying that, Randy, but.
Can't they just grab it by my hands and lift it? And you guys pull the bolts out and we'll lower it?
See, I gotta watch him on this fucking oil drain back.
Right? Take them out?
Got him out?
I got one out.
Shit, hold on. You know what?
What?
Well, I gotta pull this wood back because it's gotta come down and it's gonna. Put that bolt back for a second, please.
Well, why don't you just let it down?
Over there?
Not yet, no.
That's what she said. What are you worried about the wood hitting
It's
what?
in a little bit, but not all the
Because
way.
the motor's gonna come down, but it's gonna pinch this
Can you raise it a little
2
bit?
by
Clay?
6.
Watch your hands, Randy.
No, they're good. Alright.
Well,
Watch your Rands handy.
yeah.
Watch my rands.
That's where it needs to be. This is just fucking added work here.
Sorry, guys.
Oh, fuck.
Okay, well I got this one out, so whenever you want to, you got that one out?
I can take it out again.
I'll take it out.
Yeah, so.
Okay, and then let it down.
Oh,
Yeah, your side's in. Randy,
Did you
how's
get that one
yours?
in?
No.
You know what that reminds me of, Randy?
What?
Is when Fox checked the brake fluid in his car, and it was low, and he added brake fluid, but on top of the fucking bladder. That's what that just reminds me of. Right?
What do you mean on top of the bladder?
Wait,
He took the cap off, but there's a rubber gasket.
the bladder, the diaphragm, right?
He just left that. He started pouring it into the rubber.
You're supposed to peel that diaphragm back and then fill the fucking brake fluid up. Well, he just poured it on top of the fucking bladder and slapped the lid back on. So that was probably one of the most funniest automotive things I've ever seen.
This is also pretty good though, I gotta say. So now we're getting the accessories back on after the little inconvenience. Randy's learning.
I'm learning.
He's a learner.
By fucking up things.
But we improvised and got it done without having to get the engine hoist again.
So I can't believe I put that picture up of the ferns on the dock.
Ferns in the dock.
Yeah,
And
I should
nobody
have got
said
that
anything.
one.
Somebody said something.
Classic Winnebago man.
nobody
Ferns
said
in the
anything.
dog.
Rob said something.
No, I said I don't know. Clayton said, "What are you guys dumb?
I didn't say, are you dumb? I'm like, are
Ferns
you
in the
kidding?
docks, you fucking dumb idiots." That's pretty much what he said. That's how I remember it, anyways.
Okay, so I didn't kill
Yeah,
your
there's
chain, Rob.
What?
Well, the bolt
You
still
still
didn't come
did.
out. Well, no, I didn't kill your chain.
Yeah.
The
I
bolt's
could.
still
I
not
probably
coming
could.
out.
If the engine was there, I could have cut that bolt, but because I couldn't get, I had to cut it that way.
I lost
So
you
it's all
too
your
late.
fault. Yeah. Now what am I gonna do when I need to fucking?
It's long enough still.
That's better.
Yeah.
What? Oh yeah.
Now the manifolds fit.
Amazing.
I wonder why.
Okay, we can't put any of this shit on the internet.
Yeah, that's what we always say, but this is just like old times. Original SPPTV, doing stuff to the car, messing up stuff, having good times.
Randy.
And Randy.
Well, let no bolts go down the intake.
With a side of Randy.
We should give it the magnet test when we're done.
The burning hot magma test.
Magnet.
Oh, magnet. I said magma. Burning hot magma.
Got the intake back on, Clayton's getting this manifold back on. Got fuel lines connected. Just connecting a bunch of the stuff that we took off to get the motor out of here. We've done this process about 5,000 times, so we can do it pretty quick. Rob is one with the shit horse right now. Alright guys, so this is as far as we made it.
We're almost done.
Try to give you the best view we can, but it's basically together up here.
Other than the injectors, the top is done.
Is that two-step plugged in?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
The
I
spark
cannot wait.
plugs aren't in. And then the throttle cable we still have to do. And then the wiring for the throttle position sensor and the idler control valve.
We have to do some swapping over because we're going from drive-by-wire to drive-by-cable. So wiring and maybe a computer, and got to do the throttle setup, and
Got to tighten the manifolds.
yeah,
Crossover.
and a whole bunch more stuff
Look at this, Mike. Why is that all exposed like this?
that you'll see in upcoming videos. This is pretty exciting, guys. We almost kind of forgot about this car. Now it's back. Got it together. Randy helped a ton. It was great.
Everything's back.
We still got to do some more stuff to this, but yeah, it's gonna be going again soon, and in more videos, and doing power skids as we used to. This is like a throwback video because the channel kind of started like here and on these floors, working on the shit horse. Be exciting! Come on.
Oh, I'm exciting.
Randy.
Oh, for sure.
Just don't be crazy.
I'm just kidding.
Like the guy said.
Yeah.
Anyways, guys, like, share, comment, subscribe. As always, we do this for you, and we can't wait to get this car going again and make some silly videos with it. So, check you later.